Hey guys, it is Monday here in West Virginia. It's the first Monday of April. It's the first day of April. And today we're doing our usual Mopar Monday. But before we continue with it, I got a couple of small announcements to make. One being the items that I have for sale on eBay. If I offer special prices here on YouTube in my videos and they don't correspond with the prices on eBay, usually I cannot do that special price on eBay because of their high fees. They charge almost 20%, sometimes 25% on a lot of stuff. So I can't accommodate those offers that I offer here on eBay, but I can do it on my Instagram. My Instagram is the same name. It is Ron's Muscle Car Diecast. One word though. I know somebody messaged me on eBay about this and where they could, if they could get it for 70, like I offered, 70 shipped in the US, which I still will stick with that, but it has to be through my IG. Because if you message me on eBay, they block the messages. They won't let them go through. I was trying to respond to you how to get that car for that offer. And usually in my videos, I do say message me on IG, message me here on YouTube, and I'll respond in some way. So, anyways, that's basically it. If you want these special offers for the prices I offer here in the videos, message me on Instagram. I can't do it on eBay. Name is the same in all three areas. Here, it is Ron's Muscle Car Diecast. eBay, it's Ron's Muscle Car Diecast. IG, it's Ron's Muscle Car Diecast. So, it's fairly easy to find. Today, we're going to unbox a couple of Mongoose dusters from the Dragstrip Demons line. It is these two guys here. I should have said they are these two guys here, but anyways, these two here, one from each series. This is the first series from 2009. This is the hardest one to find of the two. Although they're both getting hard to find. This is from the 2010 lineup. As you can see, 15 of 25. That one was 19 of 30. Now, this 19 of 30, I have an extra one that I am selling on eBay, and it's listed for 30, and it's on a bad card. This card's pretty hard to find on a good card. Usually they go for like 40 to 50 bucks. Loose, I think they're still worth about 30. So that's kind of what I'm saying with this guy here. This is the one for sale. You might as well consider it loose because the card is water damaged, as you can see. If you put it in a large Protecto, it may not look so bad. It may display nice, so it would be your call. But basically, that's why it's 30 bucks. But if you bought it on my IG, I could go as low as 25 on it, which is a very, very good deal for this, even loose. So anyways, the one that I have here is already open. That's mine. And if I would have known I was getting that second one, I would have opened the bad card and kept this one because this isn't a great card, but it's better. I ended up with the other version, or the other one of these, and this 70 Camaro. I have this 70 Camaro for sale too. Same deal, 30 on eBay or 25 on IG. And that's not with shipping. Shipping is extra. But I ordered Mongoose 2. I was planning on having 3 Mongoose dusters for you guys. The Mongoose 2 is the most valuable of the dusters for Mongoose in the Dragstrip Demons lineup. I was hoping to have all 3. But the guy that I ordered Mongoose 2 from, and the Mongoose Silver Corvette, and the Will variant of the Sox and Martin Barracuda sent me 4 wrong cars. So I got 2 vets I wanted, but I got a Duster and a Camaro that I did not order. So things seem a little strange. So I'm not going to send them back and get the ones I ordered. I'm just going to chalk up my losses and try to sell the 2 that I already have, and then try to buy the other 2 later on. I did get 2 cool Corvette funny cars though that I was trying to get, but I lost, and then ironically, I got them in the mail in a wrong shipment. So anyways, it's a long story, but I have those two, the Mongoose English Leather from the first series and the USA 1 Camaro for sale. So anyways, let's get this English Leather here off the package. Off the card, I should say, out of the package. Not doing so good with my grammar today. So, anyways, this is one of the cool variants. This is the first, I think, English Leather car that he ran. This is the one that came up. Actually, no, this is 70 on this one, so this is 74. This is a late one. I was going to say maybe this is when he was changing over from like Hot Wheels to English Leather because of the paint job. But I don't know. I think this may be kind of like the Black Snake Cuda, where Prudhomme, I think, was basically paying the bill for most of his stuff with a little side sponsorship from Army and from Hot Wheels. I think it was in the transition of going from Hot Wheels to the Army sponsorship. Same thing here with Mongoose English Leather. I think he was leaving Hot Wheels sponsorship and going to English Leather, maybe fully or something like that. But as we can see here, this is a 70, and it is pretty much all English Leather. So, not sure what was going on then. As I said, these guys are a little bit before my time. I just respect them because of, like, what they did for Funny Car. They, I don't know, made it popular amongst, like, people that collected toy cars and everything. They were like the showmen for Hot Wheels back in 69 and 70. I guess it was like the promotion for Hot Wheels, and these guys became like world renowned with car guys. So I do try to get all the variants of their funny cars. Snake and Mongoose, the rivalry is like iconic, especially for Hot Wheel guys. So anyways, we'll get this one off. This one kind of came all the way off. This is one of those ones where the glue wasn't so good and the whole blister came off. I just taped this back on. It happens sometimes with these older ones where the glue isn't so good. I guess that's why Hot Wheels is using such a strong glue on their premium stuff nowadays. But as you can see, even the front ends are a little bit different. For like the 70 versus the 74, you can see how the grill kind of pops out a little bit on that one, where this one is flat, more or less. Then the tail lights should be different too. Yeah, they are. Actually, it looks like the tail light tampos are on backwards on the 70. I think they put them on wrong, and the 74, the tail lights should be a little bit different than what they are. These are more like 70 tail lights. So anyways, I guess it doesn't really matter. It's not going to show you much on the tail lights here. So, but these ones are definitely backwards for the 70 because the backup lights should be to the inside. These are correct. These are backwards. So this is a tampo error, I guess I would say. But both really cool pieces. This one here, I think the casting has a little bit too much casted in the front end because the body does not go down as far as it should. Still sets pretty nice like that, but usually the fender opening was hung over the wheel a little bit, whereas now it's just a little over the tire, but it still sets pretty good. As you can see, this one here is how it really should be. It goes right to the top of the wheel. When it's sitting down on the table, it's like a little bit over the wheel. And you can even see like how the chassis is lined up with the body there, and how on this one it hangs down a lot more. But not enough to make it look obvious. Most people wouldn't even notice. I just noticed because I got other ones and pay attention to like how they sit and such. So we'll come down here and show you guys them side by side. but you can see it's just a hair. I mean, probably not even a 32nd of an inch. So it really is not that big of a deal. Usually, if it's a bigger deal, I will try to get another variation and such. But that's why I didn't even open this one. I usually would to get the better of the two, whoever sets the best, and see also the compare and see if it's a problem with all. But I didn't do that. I just figured I'll keep this one and sell that one. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This is a 70 to 74. These are the English leathers. And I thought it was going to be more focused on like 73, 74 with English leather, but they're saying with the Hot Wheels one, or Hot Wheels is saying that there was a 70 English leather at the same time. He had the Hot Wheels Duster, the red one. So, anyways, that's pretty much a wrap on this video. We'll be back again tomorrow, and we're going to be taking a look at an M2 Dodge truck, the one that I've been hunting for since I left it behind at Hobby Lobby. About a month and a half ago, I finally found it again at Walmart. One that it says pick 'em up truck on the box. It's red with some yellow and orange graphics on it. Very cool looking truck. Finally got it for that Walmart price of $7. I didn't want to pay the $10 at Hobby Lobby, but I was kind of almost regretting that I didn't after a month passed and I still didn't find it again. But we finally found it, so we'll show it to you guys tomorrow. So be sure to tune back in for that. And enjoy your Monday and your start to the work week, guys, and the start to a new month.